I'm going to show you how to repair a thermostatic control valve for a shower. This particular knob controls the amount of heat of the water coming out, and then the thermostatic portion controls if somebody flushes a toilet, you don't get scalded. The problem I'm having is no matter where I turn it, it's all the same temperature and it's not quite warm enough. So I'm going to take this thing apart. On this model, you remove a cap, you remove a screw that's inside. This is either going to be a regular screw or an Allen screw. Once that's loose, the handle pops off. And then you have to remove this black ring, which is a limit to how far you can move it. And then on this particular model, there's a brass ring with two holes in it that is holding the valve in. Some of these just unscrew. This particular one is held in with this little spanner. So remove this little spanner nut. Oh, by the way, the water is shut off. And then this assembly should just pull out. And that's the thermostatic control valve. I looked up these online and they're quite expensive. So I thought, well, it's junk anyway. I'll see if I can take it apart. So what I found is there's a connection between the barrels. So you basically can put it in a vise and take it apart. And inside here, there's a spring. And the thermostatic portion, this is a wax sensor. As this gets hot, it pushes this plunger up and down. That plunger is pushing against this unit here. Oh, I lost the spring. And this is what moves up and down to position this to control the amount of hot water and cold water that's coming out of the shower. The problem I have is this unit is stuck, so what I do is take the O-ring out, clean up all the corrosion that was built on this outside of this, re-lubed all the O-rings, and then put it all back together. This sub-assembly also comes apart if you take this clip out, just basically an E-clip. Get it apart. There we go. And it just pushes out. And again, more cleaning, more O-rings, more lubrication. And you can see how this turns and it pushes this thing out, which pushes on that barrel. This goes back in, lube everything up real good with O-ring lube. Find the spring that you dropped. And put it all back together. And basically, with this thing all lubed up, put this in its minimum position. This one has a key that is keyed into there. It can only go in one way. Pushes in. And put it all back together. And that should solve your problem of corrosion causing your thermostatic valve to be stuck. So hopefully that'll save you a couple $100 for a replacement valve. Have a good day.